If you're still plagued by constant TV buffering, frequent source failures, or even feel like you're cracking a password every time you configure your device, then this video will absolutely save your viewing experience. Hello everyone! Today I'm bringing a truly amazing benefit to all Fire TV Stick, Superbox, and Android device users. If you don't want to miss any exciting live streams and movies, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel immediately, and turn on notifications so you'll receive a notification every time I release a new video. First, let's quickly complete the basic environment configuration. Open the Find function on the home screen, tap Search, enter the letter D, and directly find our old friend, the Downloader app, and download and install it. Next, press the Home button to return to the main screen. Go to Settings, find My Fire TV, tap About, and quickly press the middle Select button 7 times until a small message pops up at the bottom of the screen. You are now a developer. Then go back to the previous screen. Enter the developer options you just unlocked. Enable ADB debugging and fully grant downloader permissions in Install Unknown Apps. Preparation is complete. Return to the Downloader app, tap the number icon in the upper right corner to open the numeric keypad. Enter my exclusive shortcode 511693 and tap Next. It will automatically link to the download file. Just wait a moment for it to download. After installation, here comes the crucial part: how to add a playlist. After entering the main interface, tap Playlists, and then add new M3U xtream or playlist. Here, you need to accurately enter your playlist name, username, password, and the corresponding server URL. Please double-check every word and strictly follow the requirements to ensure every character matches the information provided by the service provider. This will ensure a successful connection on the first try. Now, I know what everyone is most concerned about. While free sources work due to high user volume, buffering, congestion, and even expiration after a few days are inevitable during peak hours. If you find searching for sources every day too troublesome, want the ultimate smoothness, uninterrupted connection, and a professionally maintained advanced login system, or if you encounter any problems during operation, don't try to fix it yourself. Check the description below the video or the pinned comment below and click the link to contact me and my tech team directly. Send us a message and we'll help you configure the perfect streaming solution step by step. Finally, if today's sharing has truly helped you, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell to the maximum. If you encounter any problems, contact me in the description below the video or the pinned comment below. See you in the next video.